TikTok is launching a brand new, US-exclusive version of its app called M2 on September 5, 2025. This isn't just a simple update, it's a completely separate app, built to meet US legal and regulatory requirements. The original TikTok app, internally referred to as M, will still work for a while, but only until March 2026, after which it's expected to stop functioning for US users. One of the biggest changes with M2 is its infrastructure. Unlike the global version, this US-only TikTok will be powered by data servers located in the United States, ensuring that American user data is stored and processed domestically. This helps ByteDance comply with new US legislation that demands tighter control over foreign-owned apps. Another major difference is how M2's algorithm and recommendation engine will be managed. Because of regulatory restrictions, TikTok is developing a separate algorithm for M2 that's trained primarily on US data. This could potentially change what's shown on your For You page. US users might see a shift in trends, content, and how content goes viral compared to the global version. For users, the transition seems fairly smooth. You don't need to start from scratch. TikTok will reportedly let you migrate your account, including your profile, followers, and drafts, to the new app. But you do need to manually download M2 once it becomes available because it's released as a different app rather than an update. That's due to App Store limitations. Both Apple and Google require this kind of regional split when the app's underlying code and identifiers change. Ownership-wise, the US version will be under stricter oversight. ByteDance is working to transfer control of its US app to a group of US-based investors, while still retaining a minority stake. This setup aims to satisfy national security demands while allowing TikTok to continue operating in the US. What does this mean for creators and brands? M2 could reshape how content is recommended and monetized in the US since it's on a separate infrastructure and algorithm. Engagement patterns might shift. Creators will want to keep an eye on how virality, reach, and ad performance change once M2 becomes the default. In short, TikTok's M2 is not just another update, it's a new, legally compliant version of TikTok made specifically for US users, with its own data system, algorithm, and ownership structure. If you're in the US, you'll need to switch to M2 to keep using TikTok long-term. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech updates and TikTok news.